Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby. Start with your back facing the camera. Turn to your left and, with your left hand on your hip, point up with your right hand on the yo, then bring your right hand down next to your mouth, palm facing out, and bend your knees slightly. Step in place on your left foot and punch up with your left fist. Bring your right foot up as you begin turning to the left to face the camera and punch up with your right fist. Bring your right foot and your right fist down as you punch up with your left fist. Now bring your left fist back down as you punch up with your right fist and bring your left foot up. Repeat this set of movements twice, starting with the first punch with your left fist. Now when you bring your foot back down, keep your fists up, but don't punch up yet. As you bring your right foot up, punch up with your left fist. Wait for a moment before continuing on to the next section. Bring both fists above your head and swing them around in a clockwise circle as you hop to the right and look to the right. Look to the left as you plant your left foot and bring your arms down to your sides. Bring your right arm up across your forehead, then bring your left arm up across your chest. Pull them out to either side as you swing your hips in a clockwise circle and look at the camera. Keeping your elbows bent, begin swinging your arms outward. Bring them full circle, then stop them when they are out a bit and jump slightly, bringing your feet together. Swing your arms to the right and back as you step back on your right foot, then left foot. Bring your left arm down and step forward on your right foot, then left foot as you curve your right hand out toward the camera. Keeping your arms out from your sides a bit, turn to the right until you are facing the camera again by taking 4 steps, starting on the right foot. Step to the right with your right foot as you move your left hand out in front of your body and your right hand back behind you. Bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you bring your arms back toward you with your left hand going behind you and your right hand going in front of you. Repeat this move on the opposite side. Repeat it again on the other side, but instead of bringing your left foot over, step in place with your right foot and move your left hand out in front of you again. Put your left hand on your hip and bring your right hand up, palm out in front of your forehead. Repeat all of the previous foot movements in a left, right, left, left pattern as you pull your right hand over to the right. Put your arms down and a little ways away from your sides and lift your right foot up as you bring your right shoulder up. When you put your foot back down, bring your left shoulder up, then your right shoulder, then your left shoulder again, and turn your left knee in. Do the shoulder movements in the opposite direction and turn your right knee in before hopping back on your right foot and kicking out with your left foot as you point at the camera with your right hand and put your left hand on your hip. Bring your left foot back down, then bring your right foot up to meet it and drop your arms to your sides. Quickly bring your hands up under your chin with your fingers laced together. Move your elbows up so that they are pointing out to either side as you tilt your head to the right and turn your heels out. Turn your heels back in and bring your elbows down before planting your right foot, bringing your hands up to either side of your face and moving your head in a clockwise circle. Swing your arms over to the right, then the left. Repeat section 1 of part 1. Repeat the first 2 counts of section 2 of part 1. Bring your right foot over near your left foot and bend your right knee. While leaning slightly to the left, bring your right hand up to your chest with your elbow pointing up and to the right, then bring your left hand up to your chest with your elbow pointing down and to the left. Switch so that your left knee is bent, your right elbow is down, and your left elbow is up. Lean slightly to the left again as you bring your right foot and both fists up, with your right fist being higher than your left fist. Bring your right foot back down. Bring your right fist down a bit and your left fist up a bit, then bring your right fist back up and your left fist back down, before moving your right fist down and your left fist up and bending your left knee inward. Repeat these last few moves in the opposite direction before turning to the right with your arms slightly away from your sides until you are facing the camera again. Step to the right with your right foot as you bend your elbows so that your right arm is up and your left arm is horizontal across your chest. Now step in front of your right foot with your left foot and switch the positions of your arms. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you punch out with your left fist. Hop up as you punch up with your right fist. Repeat all of these moves in the opposite direction, but don't punch out to the side this time. Plant your right foot and bring your right fist up, then punch down to the left and look in the same direction. Punch up to the right with your right fist and look in the same direction. Now put your left hand on your hip, look at the camera, and using your right fist, punch up to the left, then up to the right. Kneel down on your left knee and bring your right hand down and back a bit. Move your right hand up and toward the camera as you stand back up. Turn your hand so that your palm is facing up, then pull your hand in and take 2 steps toward the camera, starting on the right foot. With your left hand still on your hip, move your right hand, palm facing out, across your forehead from left to right as you shake your hips to the left, then right. With the index and middle fingers of your right hand extended, move your hand up, then down near your face as you shake your hips to the left, then right. Step back with your right foot and extend your right arm away from the camera. Shake your hips to the left as you turn your hand so that your palm faces the camera, then shake your hips to the right as you turn the palm of your right hand away from the camera again.